Buyers, are you looking for some house hacks? Now let's face it, we can all agree that the housing market has been a very volatile market over the last couple of years. In fact, oftentimes I'm hearing buyers say that they feel like they are on a long roller coaster ride. This is Brandi Adkins. I'm your real estate connection with LPT Realty, and I think that you should know why many buyers feel that they are riding the ups and downs when trying to purchase a home. So with low inventory, fluctuating mortgage rates, and competition, it makes for a very tough market for some buyers, especially our first-time home buyers. A trend that we are starting to see in certain regions is house hacking. So what is house hacking? House hacking is finding creative ways to make a home purchase affordable. Now, let's explore some hacking options. Now, how about buying a home with family or your bestie? This co-buying trend allows buyers to pool their resources and finances together with people they love to come up with a larger down payment or closing costs. Perhaps you could also advertise a room for rent to help with the housing costs, but if having a long-term roommate is just too big of a commitment for you, you could consider just renting out a room in your house as a short-term rental, maybe to a college student or a traveling nurse. Now, this way, they can help with the mortgage expenses, but they are not vested in the property long-term. Another hack to consider is renting out parking or storage space or even your pool. As a homeowner, you might have more to rent than just rooms. So take a look around the property that you are interested in to see what you can profit from. Or you can even find a property that has a separate rental or ADU and you can maintain your privacy, but you can also make some extra income. Now, bottom line is it's always best to work with an experienced real estate agent who can show you the different strategies to help make your dreams a reality. Now, if you would like some more information about the current housing market or what is happening locally in your area, feel free to reach out to my team and I for the most up-to-date information. Remember, this is Brandi with Adkins Real Estate Group, and we want you to love where you live because we know there's no place like home.